So 2022 Lifan KPX 250, just changed the starter. Got to tighten up the chain. I mean, loosen the chain because the chain is way too freaking tight. We should have an inch of sag or play in that chain. So when we're finished, we hope to be able to move that about an inch as opposed to it being taut. 3 tools needed, well really 2. One is a 24 millimeter, or in the absence of a 24 millimeter, a 15/16 socket, and then 2 13 millimeter wrenches. You can technically get away with 1. First thing, gotta loosen the axle. You can do this while the bike is on the ground. You don't have to have it on jack stands or anything. All right, so that is this. And what you have here is your adjusters. So this is just a lock nut. We're going to break the lock nut loose, and then we're going to move this bolt in. Once you're done, lock your lock nut. This is the reason I like 2 13s. You can hold it with 1 so it doesn't adjust even more on you, and lock the lock nut. As you're finishing, just keep checking. Make sure it doesn't tighten back up on you. And lastly, check your chain one last time. Make sure the tolerance is still there, and tighten up your rear axle to about 2 UGAs. Should do it.